cheek.
You move your hand faster than me. Forget you, bum. Today is the first day of my life. No, it's not. Because the snow, man, snow cripples you. It cripples you. It cripples you. Snow cripples you like a butterface. Let me get up. You cut the heat on.
That's when you find out who the soldiers is.
That's where you what?
That's when you find out who the real soldiers is. You're gonna go out there and get it. Still gonna go out there and get it.
I'm still go out there and get it.
Alright then, let's get it then.
I'm get it. I paid for it. I better go get it. Alright guys. It's too early. It's not. I'm trying to get up. The snow is crippling. And I need to get up. That's what I be like every day in the mirror.
Every day.
Shut up. Nobody hurts you. Don't tell me that was your favorite dog. Yeah, okay.
Oh, Clifford was.
Oh, Lord, I forgot. Yes.
The big red dog, Clifford.
The damn red. Why? Why Clifford?
I don't know. He's a big ass dog. Who don't like a big red dog? Like, come on.
What would you do with a big red?
You can ride him.
That makes no sense.
You can get on your...
Look at this mess. Look at this. It's coming down like crazy too. And my baby just cleaned my car. And now look like it need to be cleaned again. This is ridiculous. So we getting snow. Ow. Ooh, he tried to clean it off. At least it's warm.
Want to?
It doesn't bother me. I know some people they get bothered by.
Yeah, we have a lot.
See, look, it says 186. Guess what it said yesterday?
Everyone says their scale is a little different than this one.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't just... So lower your pants a little bit. lower your underwear a little bit too.
No,
Because we're gonna take pictures too.
Okay.
So I'm gonna measure. You work out, correct? You work out?
A lot, yeah.
A lot?
Yes.
How much is a lot?
I'm a bodybuilder.
Just gonna take turn. We'll do that back as well. So did Mara explain this to you, how it kind of works? Okay. Basically, that's what that is.
So it really just shrinks your fat cells.
I think what you need as well is
Grade.
no, the upgrade is you get more treatments. How many did you purchase? Upgrade, you get 4 more.
Okay.
Because we sell them in package of 10.
Okay.
But Venus Legacy, I think you'll benefit even more. So that one's on sale for $900, and it's 10 treatments. But that one you come in once a week, not twice a week.
Okay. And that's for skin tightening?
It's firming and skin tightening up. So you don't feel much with this laser, it's very gentle. The first 10 minutes you don't feel much, the second 10 minutes it's going to be a little bit heat.
Okay. And so they follow my journey.
Aww.
So
Okay,
this
good.
is what it is. Looks like. So how long does the process take?
20 minutes.
Oh.
10 and 10.
10, 10,
10
10?
and 10, yep.
Alrighty then. 10, 10. Okay.
Alright.
Alright. Well, that was fun. So I'm gonna go to the gym, which is actually right around the corner. Mario is there already, so I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna get on the Stairmaster for about 20 minutes, or on the treadmill, one of the two, and I'm gonna do some form of ab workout. This snow is ridiculous, guys. Why? So I'm gonna go to the gym and we'll see what happens then. Alright, so I just finished 20 minutes on the Stairmaster and I'm tired and I'm sweating. So, I'm going to work out upper body. So I'm home from the gym. I'm getting ready to eat and get a few things done before I have to go to work. I teach at College of Creative Studies. This course today is InDesign and it's all the way in Plymouth, and I stay in Madison Heights. So if you know anything about the Detroit, the Michigan area, you'll see I'm pretty a distance, about 45 minutes away. So I gotta drive in this freaking mess like the snow. But yeah, so my baby, he made sure that I had some water because he met me at the gym after my treatment, and so he made sure that I had some water. I am on the second round of this because I filled it up once and then I had to fill it up again after doing that dang on Stairmaster. But yeah, water. So it's recommended that you drink at least half your body weight in ounces. I'm going to do 90 to a gallon, 90 ounces to a gallon, because as far as I'm concerned, as far as the scale has any scale, just so my scale says one thing here and then it says something else there, and this is why I could care less now about what the scale says. That's why I put it away. But if you are unsure about your weight, or you're getting numbers that are different from one end from your scale to some other scale, if you do this treatment or you go somewhere and you have to weigh yourself and you're not exactly sure how much water you should drink, they would say at least 90 ounces to a gallon. So you should be drinking 8 glasses of water every day, but that's the way that I gauge it. So I try to drink at least 3. This is 3, 32, 32, 30. Yeah, it would be close to a gallon. So another 32 would make it a full gallon. So I'm already finished with 2 already. Well, not quite, because I'm going to finish this. But I'm going to get in the house, cook me something to eat, and get on with the rest of my day. Actually gonna go out so we can go get some good food. We going to the grocery store. But look how deep this is. Look at that.
Ryan Little.